to register for TOEFL from their website. So there's no need to reach out to any consultant help. Like we can do this all by ourselves. So we should have some knowledge. So basically now let's go to our computer screen. From there I will show you guys how to do step by step each and everything. So let's go. So first of all, you're gonna open up your browser and you're gonna type in google.com. Okay, from there you're gonna search ETS. ETS basically is a company that made TOEFL. It also made other tests like GRE. So ETS home, open this page. You will see that now the page has been opened. From there now you will see a lot of like GRE, TOEFL essentials, all products, high set, TOEIC. But what you gonna guys do is basically click on TOEFL IBT. You're gonna click on register and sign in. Okay, let's wait. It's going to redirect us to the TOEFL page. Okay, so here you go, guys going to see sign in for test tracker and returning. Here you can see all of that. I already put in my username password, so I don't need to put it again. But if you are, I'm assuming you will be a new user, so you're gonna need to make like create an account. You're gonna click on that create an account and you're gonna make a new account. So okay, now we're gonna press on sign in, click on sign in. Okay, let's wait now. It's gonna take us to the home page. Okay, so you can see we are on the TOEFL homepage. From there we're gonna see a lot of options, but we don't care about any option. What we care about is we're gonna see on my test, and you're gonna click on register, find test centers and dates. Click on that. After doing that, you can see that we can see select your test, TOEFL IBT at a test center, home edition, and TOEFL essentials. So a lot of you guys will give TOEFL IBT at a test center, because I will not recommend you guys to give TOEFL IBT home edition, because a lot of universities will not accept your home edition. Like they don't prefer, they more prefer like at a test center. So I will recommend you guys to choose a TOEFL IBT at a test center. Click on that. Now here you will see find test center at or near this location. Basically you're gonna put in your address or city. Let's put in, so basically I will put in Karachi, Pakistan. You will see, so you will put in your country and your city name. You will see find test dates within this 2-month period. You're gonna see June, July. Okay, you're gonna press click on continue. After continuing, you can see that it will show you on 11th of June, it will show you late fee. So basically late fee means that if you guys will like register within like 10 days, like within 7 days, it will charge the TOEFL will charge you late fees, which is around $40 or $50. But we're gonna choose 15th of June. Here you can see it is showing us the test test center location, and it is showing us how far it is, directions, show test times and register. We're gonna click on that. You're gonna see also the fees, which is $200. $200, you will convert this to your basic currency. Currently I'm living in Pakistan, so $200 means around is 40,000 PKR. So seats available. It is on 10 a.m. The seat is available. We're gonna click on register. Okay, it is processing. Let's wait. Let's see. Okay, so you're gonna see there, before you register your test, you're gonna see the terms and condition. If you have time, read all of that. I will suggest you read. I've already read all of that, so I will just click on I acknowledge and understand the terms and condition, and I will just click on next. From there, you're gonna put in your passport ID or either your national ID which your country has if you are like over 18. If you have driver license, you can also put that, or if you have any other type of ID, you can also put that. So just for the sake of this video, I'm just putting in a fake passport. I'm just going to put in the fake ID. I'm just going to put in whatever it is. I'm just putting in fake ID, so just so you tell you. So from here you will see my personal information which I'm going to hide out. So I'm gonna press on next. Okay, so here you can see it's going to be background information. Which of these? Please put in the actual your actual information, which is all of that. Which of the includes your age and everything. Undergraduate program, if you are going for masters, please go and choose like graduate or postgraduate programs. So click on next. Okay, so free score recipients, you can add up to 4 score recipient. That means that score recipient basically means that when you're gonna put in your university name, like the zip code, like for example I will click on Winona State University. So let's wait. So you're gonna see Winona State University, so they're gonna put add to my score recipients. So you're gonna put like you can put up to 4 recipients. That means that basically when you will put score recipient, when your score will come out, it will automatically will be sent to the your university without adding any additional costs. But if you will want to like send to other universities, you have to pay $20 or $25 after like your score is has come out. So I'm gonna just gonna click on next. Okay, so computer science, click on that. Sorry for that. Computer, okay, so click on next. So review test registration, here you can see all of your information, everything. You're gonna just click on next. Okay, so we are all done. Here if you want, you can buy their books, TOEFL books and everything, their prep books and everything. But I will recommend you guys to watch my other videos where I have given you all of the preparation materials. So if you want any more, I can also give you that. Please contact me on my Instagram, which is bilal.rajput. I will put in the username and the description, you can see. So anyways, from there you're gonna click on next. After clicking that, will process. So okay, so we are on our last page. You can see the price, so proceed to checkout. Okay, so here you can see if you have any voucher code, you can apply that as well. Pay now. Sorry, and let me agree to the terms. Okay, so now we are on the last tips for making a payment. You can either use your credit or debit card, or you can use your MasterCard. I personally used MasterCard because I had MasterCard at that time with me, so I paid with that. But if you have credit or either debit card, you can also pay with that. Make sure to it has some like more than $200 in your credit card, so it will charge. So yeah guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions regarding TOEFL, you can reach out to me on Instagram and I will help you guys. Thank you, bye, and good luck for your TOEFL.